Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup product review for you guys on the new Rare Beauty matte blushes. This is their matte bouncy blush and I grabbed the shade Worth. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try out this new product and share my honest thoughts with you guys, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright, we're gonna get started with skin prep. I have here the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It's got such a nice jelly-like watery consistency. It feels really good on the face. It does a really good job with adding nice moisture and hydration to the face as well. I want to go in with the Merit Great Skin as well. I'm just going to shake this up and add just a little bit of this. I like to take the product on my hand because if I go in directly onto the face, it will likely go all over my clothes. So I want to avoid that. So just one pump is more than enough to add such a nice glow to the face. This also has really nice hydration and I just love the finish that it gives my foundation. Next up, we're going to prime. I have here the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops. You always want to give this a nice shake. Lastly, I want to prep the lips with some lip plumping gloss. This is by Too Faced. One thing I learned throughout the years is that skin prep is everything when it comes to your makeup lasting and your makeup looking flawless. So never skip your skincare steps and your skin prep steps. They're really important. I want to go in and color correct my face next. This is the e.l.f. color corrector in orange. This is going to help me combat any acne scarring or any hyperpigmentation on my face. You want to just blur this out with your finger. Next up, I want to go in with foundation. I have here my current favorite. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. And I'm in the shade Light Beige. Foundation is on. I'm obsessed with how the base is looking. It's so glowy and flawless. I'm obsessed. So next up, I want to conceal and brighten the face. I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm going to set everything in place with the Huda Beauty Setting Powder. I let the powder sit for about 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to brush it away, and with whatever excess product I have, I'm just going to set the rest of my face because we're going in with powder, contour, blush, and highlight. So I want to make sure that the foundation is nice and set. I'll also go in with just a little bit of setting powder if necessary and just make sure the cheeks are nice and set in place. I want to go ahead and contour the face. I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm taking the bronzer and I'm going to slightly contour the nose and just going to take setting powder to clean it up so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, time to jump into the product that we're going to be reviewing today. I have here the new Rare Beauty Matte Bouncy Blush and I grabbed the shade Worth. This shade is like a true rose, so I'm excited to see how it looks against my skin tone, and the retail price of these is 37 Canadian. Right off the bat, I love that there isn't a lot of fallout with this blush, and I can see a lot of pigment on the brush as well. It's not crummy, it's very clean, it's not messy. We love that. Wow, this is a gorgeous color. Look at that. There's so much pigment right off the bat. I can see it's nice and blurring as well, and it's got such a beautiful matte finish. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that matte blushes are becoming a thing again because I love my matte makeup. I love my matte blush, my matte lipstick, matte everything. I've always loved that. Of course, Tower 28 also released some matte blushes recently. I did do a review of this as well. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below for you guys. If you guys would want to see a comparison video where I try both of these out side by side and share my thoughts, let me know. But I am obsessed with this color. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I think this color honestly could be a good universal. I feel like this would suit all skin tones. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just going in with a little bit of setting powder to clean up the cheeks. I went ahead and took off the lip plumping gloss because it was done doing its thing. So next up I want to add some highlight to the face just to finish off the base look. So I have here the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby highlight, my favorite. Put some on the Cupid's bow and the nose, of course. I'm also going to go in with my finger and add some into the inner corners of the eyes as well. I'm just quickly doing my brows. I'm going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4. Just going to quickly go in with some mascara, and this one is by the brand Too Faced. The last thing I have to do is my lips. I want to go in with some brown lip liner to start. I actually don't know what brand this is just because the packaging faded away, but you want to go in with something brown and a little bit deeper. And for lipstick, I want to go in with something that's going to match the cheeks. I have here the Matte Signature Lipstick by Merit in the shade Maison. I'm obsessed. I feel like the cheeks and the lips complement each other so well. I love it. So the last thing I want to do is set the face in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and we're finished. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup product review on the new Rare Beauty Matte Blush. Overall, I have to say I absolutely love this product. The quality is amazing. There's no fallout on the pan. You need limited product to get a nice flush of color on the face. Not to mention the finish is so nice and blurring and matte. I'm obsessed. It blended out so easily on the face. It was really easy to work with, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. I think it's perfect for spring, summer. I also think this color is super inclusive. I think it's gonna look great on all skin tones, so definitely a fan of this product. Let me know if you guys have tried out the new Rare Beauty blushes, and let me know what color you grabbed and what your thoughts are on this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!